In this video, we will cover how to use Walmart Wholesale. Use this to upload your existing supplier's price list to Walmart, see all products that your supplier currently supplies that are for sale, and decide whether you will compete with existing sellers on Walmart or create a listing for an as-yet unsold product. Let's begin. Start by downloading the template. This is what the template looks like. It's just 2 columns, UPC and cost price. You paste in here your existing supplier's UPC code and what the cost price is for all of them. I have an example here. This is one of my local USA suppliers, and these all the UPCs he provides, and as well as the cost price for each of these products. You can add many hundreds or thousands of UPCs at a time. And then you merely upload this into WallySmarter. Choose a file, and it has been uploaded. We're in the process of finding all those UPCs on Walmart and telling you all the information about it. How many units they sell, who the supplier is, who the seller is, and when it is finished, it will say completed. You click download. There's your file. Here we can see the completed sheets. It includes all the UPC codes you provided and the original cost price. If we find a sale on Walmart, there is a result. If we don't find it on Walmart, it is blank. And you can see the category. And you can see the brand and the manufacturer who's selling. You can see the estimated sales. And we even calculate what the gross profit is, taking the price on Walmart minus your own manufacturer's price. And then you can decide on 2 things. Either you compete against the seller who is already selling your supplier's product on Walmart, and you just sell it at a cheaper price, or you go ahead and list products that are not yet on Walmart and create the market for yourself. That is our Walmart Wholesale tool.